Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect your take profit trader to TradingView. And before we can do this, there are a few steps that you need to do. And there's also a disclaimer because right here I need to tell you that this is not for free. So what you need to know, if you want to do this, you need to pay money, because if you want to do this free, it's not possible. Because right now we are here at Take Profit Trader. And now if you click right here on Get Started Now, you need to select right here which plan you want to use. And you see right here your payments. Then we select right here on Start Now. And then what you need to know right here, fill in your email, passwords and confirm your password. Do the CAPTCHA and click right here, I have read and agreed the terms of service. Then if you continue, make sure that you do the complete setup for the Take Profit Trader. Because after this question right here, you will get the question which type of an account you want to use. Then you have there the option to select NinjaTrader, TradeOfate and TradingView, both three in one box. And if you select that one and do the complete setup for the Take Profit Trader, he will send you to TradeOfate, because in the last step, they send you a login and a password right here to use on TradingView. So then what we're going to do is we go right here and select right here add trading account, and then you need to log in with the username and the password that Take Profit Trader gave you in the last page. Then after that we log in, and then they will ask you in TradingView a lot of information. If you want to read that, and click on accept if you are agreeing with those settings. Then after that, you do agree many times. And then after that, what you can do, or sorry, what you need to do is go to TradingView, then go right here again to application settings, add-ons, and then right here, you need to buy right here this TradingView option for $10 per month. This is very important to do because otherwise it won't work. So yeah, you can also try right here the order flow if you want to do that. But this is just for TradingView, so the order flow is not necessary because we want TradingView. So this will cost you $10. Then once you buy that, we go to TradingView and then we select right here trade. Then we go right here add trade to TradingView, and then we have it, let's see, TradingView right there. Select TradingView, select live or demo, and then once we select live, we do connect, and now we need to log in right here with our username and our password. So if you created an account on Take Profit Trader, you have now the login and the password. And if you did exactly this to add-ons, you have enabled the TradingView option. So now the last step that you need to do is log in with your TradingView account right here on TradingView. And then after that, you can trade with TradingView and then using your Take Profit Trader, because that account is rolling through TradingView. So that is the way how you can set up your Take Profit Trader. So this is exactly how you can do this. And hopefully this is exactly the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.